If you have a lot of cheese and some eggs and you want to make a quick egg dish, we're going to make a super simple Parmesan egg flippy doodle. First thing we're going to do is we're going to grate our cheese. Now, you can use any kind of hard cheese you want for this. In fact, the pre-grated cheese probably works better because it'll crisp up quicker in the pan. That's probably enough right here for 2 eggs. You know, this is definitely an eggy, cheesy dish. But if you've got a ton of cheese you need to use up, or you just like the taste of cheese, then this is an easy way to fancy-fy it up with an egg. So let me take a handful of cheese over here and throw it in my skillet. And my skillet's already hot. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my amazing Macho Superman hands. If you're just an average person, then use a spatula or spoon or something like that.
Probably a smarter idea to use.
Well, yeah, it's definitely smarter. Alrighty. And I'm going to go ahead and start to shape it. So you want to pull in the loose cheese orbit. I'm going to go ahead and crack me an egg and drop it in my circle o' cheese. If my egg starts to run anywhere, just like the cheese, you know, you want to pull it into that artistic circle. You want a non-stick skillet for sure. And really what I'm waiting for is for my cheese to get a little crispy on the bottom. Alrighty, come on, I'm going to flip her doodle down here. Boom, boom, boom. See, so I got some nice crispy Parmesan right there. And I'm not going to leave it on this side for much time at all. We don't want to overcook our egg. And now we'll go ahead and just lay our egg on there. Super duper fancy Parmesan cheese egg. And that's all there is to some nice Parmesan eggs. But there you have it. Give this egg dish a try. We got tons of recipes over at myfoodchannel.com. I'll have a link down below.